Have you ever wondered how to avoid copyright problems with music you post to your Instagram videos? Well, stay right here, because in this Heart of the Matter episode, I give you my 5 tips to avoiding copyright problems with music you post to your Instagram videos. Be sure to stay to the end of the video when I'm going to give you a little present. It's a present you can use to avoid copyright problems on Instagram. We're in the orange groves of beautiful, sunny Fresno, California. So hit the like button on this video, subscribe if you feel like it, and come with me into the heart of the matter. Have you ever wanted to add music to your Instagram videos but not want to get hammered with a copyright claim or a copyright strike? Hi everybody, I'm attorney Ian Corzine. For the past 20 years, I've given creators legal tips on how to protect their art. Now it's your turn. By the end of this video, you'll have my 5 quick and easy tips for avoiding music copyright problems on your Instagram videos. All right, let's get to it. Step number 1, film the video. The first step in getting great music for your videos on Instagram is actually filming the video. I have an iPhone, so I use the camera app, or sometimes I use an app called Filmic Pro. It gives me a little bit more control of the lens, the exposure, and the shutter speed. You're gonna get the most views of your Instagram video if it is shareable. There are 7 different types of shareable videos. The 7 different types of shareable content on Instagram are action, funny, bloopers, previews, behind the scenes, giveaways, and fan shoutouts. For this particular Instagram video, I'm doing a skiing snowboarding video. And you know, I look pretty sweet in those red pants. Step number 2, find the right music. There are 2 ways to go. You can go royalty-free or you can use copyrighted music. As an attorney, I recommend you go royalty-free. That way you can avoid any copyright problems that might exist when you post to Instagram. But I know from all those emails that you give me that a lot of you want to include in your Instagram videos banging hits from like Drake, Travis Scott, or Ed Sheeran. One guy even told me that he uses the slow down method to avoid the content ID systems of Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. He basically imports a copyrighted track into the video. He clicks on the audio track, and then he slows down the music by like 1 or 2%. He says it's virtually imperceptible to the viewer and avoids the Instagram content ID system. However, guys, I would discourage you from using the slowdown method. You know, using a copyrighted track to pump up your ski and snowboarding video is basically not a fair use. It's an unfair use. You're taking the content of someone else and using it for your own purposes, and thereby infringing a copyright. And the worst part is, if you do slow it down, it shows an intent to deceive. Slow down the music so that you can avoid the Instagram content ID system. So if you're smart, guys, the best way to go for music on your Instagram videos is to use royalty-free music. And there's 2 ways to go. One is get free royalty-free music. It's totally available on the internet. Or 2, you could use paid services for your royalty-free music. I personally use both. For the free sites, I use freemusicarchive.org or openmusicarchive.org. You gotta check these websites out. I know a lot of you are thinking, yeah, Ian, thank you. I'm not gonna use Bach or Mozart for my comedy skit Instagram videos. But if you check out these sites, they actually have current music that you might wanna use that might pump up your Instagram videos. And the best part is that no one else has it. Bonus time! Did you know that YouTube's audio library has free music for you to use? And you can use it not only on YouTube, but any other social media platform, including Instagram. Your other option for royalty-free music are the pay sites. I use Epidemic.com, Audio Hero, Triple Scoop, and Artlist. There's different strengths and weaknesses to all these sites. Epidemic I like for EDM type stuff. Audio Hero is more like my rock station. Additionally, Triple Scoop and Artlist are kind of more, indie type rock. But regardless, you can use the music on these websites, incorporate them in your Instagram videos, and not worry about copyright strikes or copyright claims. Now you got your song that you want to use in your Instagram video, but how do you actually incorporate it in that video? I'll show you how. Let's get to it. But before we get to it, I have a question for you. What do you think about the use of copyrighted music on Instagram videos? Do you think it should be legal? If yes, write yes in the comment section below. Do you think it should be illegal? You shouldn't be able to use copyrighted music in Instagram videos. If so, write no in the comment section below. And if you have a moment, tell me the reasons for your answer. I want to hear them. Step number 3, download your song to cloud storage. Okay, the third step is quite crucial. If you're downloading royalty-free music like you should, it's kind of hard to get that music file directly to your mobile phone. So what you've got to do is download it to your desktop or laptop first, send that to cloud storage, and then access that cloud storage by your mobile phone. So breaking down the steps, the first thing you need to do is download the song to your desktop or laptop. Then you create a folder in Dropbox.com, iCloud, or Google Drive, whatever kind of cloud storage you use. And then I label that folder Music, and then put the song you choose in that folder. This allows you to take your mobile phone and then access that song file on cloud storage. Sometimes what I do is I put a whole bunch of royalty-free music in my music folder on cloud storage. That way, when I'm out and about and I gotta do an Instagram video post, I have music easily available that I can download to my mobile phone and incorporate in my Instagram video. Step number 4, import the song into my mobile video editing app. I have an iPhone, so oftentimes I use iMovie, but sometimes when I want a little more editing control, I use Filmmaker Pro or Video Shop. You can add music without copyright law problems to all 3 of these video making apps and then publish them directly to Instagram. Let me show you how. It's pretty simple. Go to the Dropbox or other file storage app. Access your music file folder. Find the song you want. Click the 3 dots. This will bring up the share menu. Press export. Then it gives you the option about where you want to export the song. Press Open In. I pressed iMovie because that was the app that I was using, but you could also press Filmmaker Pro or InShot if you have these apps. Then this inserts the audio file into the video file you already have, and bam, you got the video file and the audio file you want for your Instagram video. Man, it's as easy as that. Step number 5, adjust the audio timing and volume. Now all that's left is to make some subtle adjustments to the audio to make a powerful Instagram post. Here I add a split so I can cut out that slower part of the audio track. I want to get straight to the powerful music. I make sure that the audio extends all the way to the end of my video clip. Then I play it to test it. The volume sounds a little bit loud, so I make some subtle adjustments to make it sound perfect, to make sure that I have the perfect sounding song for my Instagram video. All right, that sounds great. I'll add a little fade at the end. All right, we are done. It's time to post to Instagram, watch all those likes pile up, and you don't even have any copyright law problems. All right, now you know how to avoid copyright law problems with the music you include in your Instagram videos. Are you going to use these tips? If so, write IG Music in the comment section below. All right, it's present time. In the description section below, you'll find a link to my free checklist on using music in your Instagram videos. I suggest you download this checklist and review it each time you're contemplating using music in your Instagram videos so you won't have any copyright law problems. You should get it so you can increase your views, get more followers, and not have copyright law problems. Also, for more in-depth discussion about the topics we talk about in the Heart of the Matter YouTube videos, go down in the description section. You'll find a link to the Heart of the Matter Social Media Law Facebook group. I would love if you click that link, join the group, and join the discussion. Join the discussion about how to protect your art in this social media atmosphere. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. That way you'll be notified every Wednesday when a new Heart of the Matter video comes out. All right, we talked a lot about copyrighted music in this video, but that brings up the subject of fair use. Do you know what that is? Do you want to know more? If so, click the card right up here and you can watch my new video on fair use. Okay, we'll see you next time.